Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GPTVerse token. Now the GPTVerse, ticker symbol GPTV, this token is being listed tomorrow, April 30th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 30th. At 11 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search GPTV, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Couldn't be easier. Now this token here has a webpage, GPTVerse.art, and on there you will find their socials and a document section, docs.gptverse.art. Now it says your AI hub and multi-platform gateway to the next level DApp. Welcome to GPTVerse, the revolutionary AI hub and multi-platform gateway to the next level DApp experience powered by cutting-edge AI technology. We aim to develop AI tools that transform the way users engage, learn, generate revenue, and transact within a virtual ecosystem. The main goal of GPTVerse is to develop an AI ecosystem and multi-platform gateway that drives collaboration, innovation, and redefining traditional boundaries. The utility token, GPTV, is the token for each product. It is the component of every product and offers its holders a range of utilities throughout the platform. We aim to create empowering AI enthusiasts and industries through a unified ecosystem driving collaboration, innovation, and transcending traditional boundaries, leading the AI frontier by seamlessly integrating innovations across platforms and blockchains. Our vision is a thriving AI-driven future where individuals and businesses are empowered with intelligent insights, shaping and connecting the world with limitless innovation. So, in the GPTVerse ecosystem, the convergence of AI and blockchain tech forms the foundation of the revolutionary DApp and metaverse experience. So they have the AI hub. GPTVerse is an AI hub which has DApp and metaverse versions for all products, AI products developed in-house, developed by partners, and developed by individual AI engineers, can be integrated and used with a strong focus on AI applications. GPTVerse revolutionizes the way users engage, learn, and transact with a virtual ecosystem. GPTVerse leverages advanced AI algorithms and machine learning techniques to enhance user engagement and learning within the metaverse. GPTVerse empowers users with personalized experiences and intelligent solutions across various domains through AI chatbots, language tutors, and intelligent trading assistants. GPTVerse embraces a multi-chain approach, starting with the initial contract on the BNB chain. This allows for scalability interoperability, and the potential to partner with other blockchains in the future. By leveraging multiple chains, GPTVerse aims to provide users with a limitless and seamless experience across different blockchain ecosystems. Now, GPTVerse actively seeks collaboration and partnerships with leading AI and blockchain organizations to drive innovation, expand the capabilities of the AI hub and metaverse. GPTVerse aims to create synergies, share knowledge, and accelerate the development of the cutting-edge AI and blockchain solutions within the AI hub and metaverse by fostering strategic alliances. As AI plays a central role in the GPTVerse, robust governance frameworks and ethical considerations are essential. GPTVerse implements transparent AI governance mechanisms to ensure responsible and ethical use of AI technologies. This includes ongoing monitoring, auditing, and community involvement to address potential biases, ensure fairness, and uphold ethical standards. So the decentralized nature of blockchain technology ensures transparency, security, and trust within the GPTVerse ecosystem. By utilizing blockchain, they create a tamper-proof infrastructure for transactions, ownership verification of NFTs, and secure data storage. So they have here the tokenomics. Now there's a total supply of 900 million tokens. It says they are on the Binance Smart Chain, but as earlier discussed, they're talking about going cross-chain in the future. They do have a full audit report that you can check out by verachains.io. They have that in the tokenomics section on their document section. So make sure you check out their full audit. They have a token allocation pie chart where it says 15% of the tokens go to marketing, 10% go to development and research, 15% liquidity, 9% DAO, 3% advisors, 2% pre-sale number 1, 5% pre-sale number 2, 8% private sale, 1% KOL round, 5% public, 2% team, and 15% ecosystem rewards. So the token utility can be used for staking, governance and voting, fee discounts, access to premium features, liquidity provision, cross-chain compatibility, and marketplace transactions. Now you can find this token on BSC Scan. They have a pretty big Twitter following. If you check out their Twitter there at GPT_verse, 48,200 Twitter followers, and it has a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So check that out. And yeah, they're getting a listing on BitGet Global and MEXC Global starting tomorrow, April 30th. So check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.